Hello students, welcome all of you. I welcome you all online lecture to the class of mathematics BSc first year students. Dear students, in the preceding section we have discussed about some definitions and examples. That means idempotent matrix, the definition of idempotent matrix and example idempotent matrix, nilpotent matrix, example of nilpotent matrix. Now, next definition, involuntary of a matrix. See the definition of involuntary matrix. A square matrix A is said to be involuntary. A square matrix capital A is said to be involuntary if the condition is A square is equal to I. A square is equal to I. The students, previous lecture, idempotent matrix, a square matrix capital A is said to be idempotent matrix. A square is equal to A. म्हणजे तुमचा idempotent matrix काय पाहिजे, स्क्वेअर मॅट्रिक्स पाहिजे आणि त्याचा जर स्क्वेअर केला, एखाद्या मॅट्रिक्सचा स्क्वेअर मॅट्रिक्सचा जर स्क्वेअर केला तर बेसिकली तुमचा मॅट्रिक्स ए यायला पाहिजे, त्याला idempotent matrix म्हणून पडलेला आहे. देन nilpotent matrix means a square matrix capital A is said to be nilpotent matrix. The condition is a to the power m is equal to 0. A to the power m, capital A is equal to the square matrix असेल त्याचा जर पॉवर इंटीजर पॉझिटिव्ह इंटीजर जर 2 3 4 5 तर काही जर केलं असेल त्याचं सपोज ए टू द पॉवर 3 म्हणजे काय करावं लागलं आपल्याला ए इंटू ए इज इक्वल टू आन्सर काय आलं पाहिजे आपला 0 मॅट्रिक्स और नल मॅट्रिक्स. नाव इन्व्हॉल्युटरी मॅट्रिक्स म्हणजे काय, तुमचा मॅट्रिक्स काय पाहिजे, स्क्वेअर मॅट्रिक्स पाहिजे. कॅपिटल ए इज इक्वल टू स्क्वेअर मॅट्रिक्स आणि ए स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू आय. आय मीन्स आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स. आयडेंटिटी मॅट्रिक्स मीन्स 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. See, the example is a square is equal to I. Example, A is equal to, this matrix is a order 3 by 3. This is a square matrix. First row -5 -8 0, second row 3 5 0, and third row 1 2 -1 is a involuntary. Check it. Okay, proof. A square is equal to, condition is A square is equal to I. ह्या मॅट्रिक्सचा जर स्क्वेअर केला, ह्या मॅट्रिक्सचा जर काय, ह्या ए मॅट्रिक्सचा जर स्क्वेअर केला, जर स्क्वेअर केल्यानंतर काय होईल, ए इंटू ए. वी नो दो ऑलरेडी ए इज मॅट्रिक्स. A square is equal to A into A multiply both matrix. Now we know the procedure of multiplication of two matrices. First row first column, first row second column, first row third column, second row first column, second row second column, second row third column, and lastly last row first column, last row second column, last row third column, like this. That means your solution is A square is equal to 25 minus 24 plus 0 is equal to 1, 40 minus 40 plus 0 is equal to 0, also 0, like this. Your solution is A square is equal to 3 by 3 matrix. Also this is a square matrix, this is a unit matrix. That means A square is equal to I. This matrix is a involuntary matrix. Okay, the definition is a square matrix capital A is said to be involuntary if capital A square is equal to I. जर त्या एखाद्या मॅट्रिक्सचा स्क्वेअर मॅट्रिक्सचा आपण मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं तर त्याचं सोल्युशन जर आय म्हणजे युनिट मॅट्रिक्स झाला तर तो तुमचा झाला इन्व्हॉल्युटरी मॅट्रिक्स. Now next example, show that the matrix capital A is said to be unitary if and only if in bracket I plus A into I minus A is equal to 0. Let the solution let A be a unitary matrix of order n. We know the unitary matrix, the condition is A square is equal to I, then A square is equal to I. That means therefore I minus A square is equal to 0. I square minus A square also 0. That the reason is I square is equal to I. I square is equal to I and A square is equal to also I. Conversely, if I plus A first bracket second bracket I minus A is equal to 0, then the multiplication of I into I square minus I into IA plus A into I minus A square is equal to 0, or I minus A square plus AI minus AI is equal to 0. That means AI minus is equal to IA. The solution is I minus A square is equal to 0 or A square is equal to I. What is the proof is? That means first bracket I plus A, second bracket I minus A is equal to 0. Now next example, if AB is equal to A and BA is equal to B, show that A and B are idempotent matrix. We know the idempotent matrix. The definition is idempotent matrix is the square matrix capital A is said to be idempotent matrix if condition is A square is equal to A. A square is equal to A. The solution we have AB is equal to A. That means A of BA is equal to A. The reason is BA is equal to B. B is equal to BA and bracket change AB of A is equal to A. We know the AB is equal to A. That means A into A is equal to A. This implies A square is equal to A. This implies A is a idempotent matrix. Also similarly, BA is equal to B, like this. B square is equal to B. B is also idempotent matrix. So students, I think you understand this lecture. So next lecture, stop here.